Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. Let's get started. So today we will be seeing about the case statement. So as you already know that we have used the case statement in previous of our problems. So it's a bit of practice. So let's see what is our problem statement. So the problem statement is create a 6 to 1 multiplexer. When select line is between 0 and 5, choose the corresponding data input. Otherwise output 0. So your data is a 4-bit wide. So let's see how we can write the code. For the better understanding of this, let's see the truth table of this. So here is the truth table of our 6:1 mux. When all three are 0, the output is D0. When S0 is 1, the output is D1. When S1 is 1 and rest all are 0, output is D2. And when S0 and S1 are 1 and S2 is 0, output is D3. And when S2 is 1 and rest are 0, output is D4. So this one we have to code it. So let's see how we can code it in Verilog. So now as we have seen or gone through the truth table, we can write the code easily. So first one, we have to write the select as it is an input. For every case statement there is an end case, so we have to write it first, end case, and in between we have to write the our logic. So select line is of 3-bit. So as I have shown in the truth table, 3-bit. When each bit is 0, the output will be equal to data 0. Means D0. Data 0. So these are all your select line, S0, S1, S2. When first one is 1, out will be equal to data of 1. So similarly for all the case we have to write it 0, 1, 0. The output will be data of 2. Similarly for next one 3b 0, 1, 1. The output will be data of 3. Similarly 3b 1, 0, 0. The output will be data of 4. And this is our last one, as we have only till data 5. So 3/b 101 out equal to data 5. So the most common mistake everyone will do is that they will write this much and they will submit the code, but they have mentioned here otherwise output 0. Means whenever there is no input bit selected other than, or whenever we can say the input bits are selected other than this, then the output should be 0. So for that we have to write a default statement. Default out equal to, as the data is of 4-bit, /b 0, 0, 0, 0. So because of default statement, the output will be always 0 if any other input is selected other than this. So let's submit it. So as you can see, the compilation process has been started. So as you can see, the status is success, and these are the timing diagrams. So that's all for today. In the next we will be seeing about always case 2 and always case Z. That's all.